I am Lucie Brochu, a business analyst moving to the digital way of life. In this video, we will explore what and where is the cloud, why we use it, and its challenges. Hopefully, you will find this informative. What and where is the cloud? The cloud is really several data centers that have currently a physical location on Earth. I say currently because I can easily visualize the data centers on satellites. Perhaps it's already up there as it is much cooler there. A data center is composed of several servers all lined up. It is energy intensive and requires lots of fan to keep it cool. It contains lots of data, softwares, and applications. A server almost looked like a cabinet with several motherboards. As we have seen in the video How Computer Work, a motherboard is really a complex circuit where different components are attached based on the function it will need to accomplish their task. It is extremely powerful. Unlike a computer, servers do not have a personal input or output device. A way they can be accessed is through the internet by several people at once. These data centers are the new fortress of the 21st century. It is well guarded against cyber or physical attack. These data centers are popping all over the place. Perhaps every day a new data center is born. Some are organized like a network, others are independent. They look like a drop of water that form a cloud. There are many providers, but probably the most known are Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, IBM, and a lot more. When you go banking online, it happens in one of the cloud providers. The cloud providers host companies that you are probably accessing daily. Amazon, for example, is hosting Netflix, Pinterest, Zynga, Dropbox, and a lot more. Google is hosting Spotify, YouTube, Verizon, to name a few. And Microsoft is hosting eBay, Samsung, Travelocity, and others. You can find online where companies are residing. Who is their cloud provider? Everything is out there. Why do we need the cloud? First, it does not matter how big is your computer memory. It cannot contain everything that is out there. Even a data center cannot contain everything. Daily, you access many different companies on many different cloud providers for different reasons from almost anywhere in the world. There are really two sides to the cloud, the storage side and the computing side. On the computing side, you can place an order, complete a bank transaction, do business, have a meeting, book your hotel for your next holiday, play a game, use a software online like Office 365 or Doodly, which are some of the software I'm using for this presentation. On the storage side, you can search for different information, get a movie or a video, save your music, files, lots of pictures. All that happens seamlessly. You move from one side to the other and you do not see the difference. The list is long of what you can do today online. Other advantages are you can get the latest news, watch your TV program on your schedule, work from home or from wherever you want, reduce paper, consult weekly flyers online, avoid printing and read the documents on your screen, avoid unnecessary trips to the city and reduce gas emission. Another advantage is that in the past, it was normal to buy and load the software on your PC. Few years later, there had been several updates and you needed to get a new update. Now you can have constant access to the latest software update. There are different modalities and you always have the latest version. I am sure you can come up with your own benefit from the cloud out there. It is amazing what can be done. However, the cloud presents some challenges. Challenge number one. Today we want access to all our digital content, mainly our pictures, from anywhere in the world, from any of our computers, and we know the space is limited. So now the cloud, instead of a silver lining, are having a gold lining. To hook you, they offer a small free space and disappear like a good solution. Your information is somewhere in the cloud and you can access it from anywhere from your various device. You just need to log in. But be aware that you will quickly outgrow that free space. To keep your information in the cloud, you will need to pay either a monthly fee or a yearly fee for a certain size. Once it is on the public cloud, you lose control of your data. You may be the owner of your data, but you have no control over it. The cloud provider has the ultimate control of any data placed under its care. There is another much smarter solution. Now everyone can have their own little cloud at home and have access to their picture and files from anywhere in the world. You are in control. What you need is your internet connection and a cloud storage device. There are few companies offering various size, and at home we have chosen Western Digital My Cloud Home, a 4 terabyte space. There is a link below for more information. Renting a cloud of about 4 gigabyte for a bit more than a year represent the cost of owning your own personal 4 terabyte cloud, which is only 1,000 times bigger than 4 gigabyte. 1,000 month is about 83 years. Most likely in your home, other people are creating digital content as well. They save their information on their computer and cell phone, and possibly some of the same information you have on your cell phone is on their cell phone. They are perhaps leasing some cloud space as well and saving the same pictures you have on your cloud on their cloud. You can share the folder of your own cloud with people you trust, and this can be a very good solution. Challenge number two. With all these different services online, how do you handle your login and password? Are there accesses that others would need to have? I can think of the news about Apple refusing the access to the widow. See the link below for the complete story. If you are the administrator at home, do you maintain a list of all your login and password? It is extremely important to keep an updated list of all login and password in a location known to the people you trust. They may need to use it in case of unforeseen event. This is a new regular task that need to be added to your to-do list, just like eating or sleeping. I do not really trust the saving you can do online. I think anything can be hacked, and I believe that having your own list at home may be a bit safer. I will call this the access listing update. The access listing can have different shape. At home, we found that the best way was, how odd that is, a paper method. We are using an index binder where the people of the household are listing their accesses. It's easy to update and very practical. Challenge number 3. The internet is the gateway to the new world. It has good and bad content, true or false, with no filters. And we are supposed to find our way through this labyrinth of growing suggestions. More than ever, it is important to have a critical mind and question what we see, read, or even believe. Sometimes what we take for granted may be wrong. As an example, you can watch the movie Fat Fiction to see for yourself. I've placed a link to the trailer below. I will end with this. Be smart about the new technology. Be informed and question what you know and the information you get. Remember, 50% of what you know today will change during your lifetime. I hope you found this informative. Please comment, and if you enjoy, like, share, save, and subscribe. Thank you.